you should know, of course, basic history. Who saw the first cells? They were non-living as Robert Hooke, number 1. And he is responsible for naming cells, number 2. The first to view living cells was Leeuwenhoek, number 3. Okay? As far as the parts of the cell theory, number 7, you need to know those good essay or short answer questions. Okay, number 8, you should know the names of the people who co-founded the cell theory. Okay, so Rudolf Virchow saw the dividing cells. Theodore Schwann saw animal cells and said all animals are made of cells. And then there was Matthias Schleiden, plant cells. Okay, going to number 9, you should understand that number 10, the organelles that support the endosymbiotic theory are chloroplast and mitochondria because they have their own DNA. Circled out, number 10. Number 11, what do we need to look at cells? We need a microscope. You should know that. Know the difference, number 13, between unicellular and multicellular. When a cell specializes, number 18, it takes on different shapes and sizes, and it changes its function. Know that cell specialization is called differentiation, and it happens by turning genes on and off, number 20. All right, and prokaryotes, that is a unicellular organism, single-celled, lacks a true nucleus, number 27. Highlight 29 and 30 dealing with cell wall, basic structure. And 31, the only organelle they have in them is a ribosome. Know 32, what eukaryotes are. Go down to number 34, the 3 basic parts of the eukaryotic cell. So I guarantee you're going to be looking at pictures and you're going to have to judge, is it a prokaryotic or eukaryotic cell? If you see a nucleus, then it's a eukaryotic cell. If it's more complex, you should know that. Okay? You should highlight number 35, the definition of organelle. No, number 38, the cell membrane is made of phospholipids and proteins. And number 40, the function of the cell membrane is to basically be the control center, determines what enters and leaves the cell. Yeah. Okay. Going down, know the difference between peripheral and integral proteins, number 49.
Miss Ward is your hubby.
Well, he's going to have to wait because we're doing a review.
All right. Who is that?
So, as far as number 50 and 51 glycoproteins, understand what they are. Okay, the cell wall, number 57, supports and protects the cell.
57.
Yeah, go ahead and highlight 55 too, the 3 types of cells that have cell walls. Okay. No, number 60, the organelles are found in the cytoplasm. Highlight number 62. Highlight 67, that the chromosomes contain genes. And let's go to the next page. Highlight 70 and 71, you should know that DNA cannot be seen when a cell is not dividing. Go ahead and highlight 72, DNA is a hereditary material. Number 73, the nucleolus is in the nucleus. And 75, its job is to make ribosomes. Number 77, the two functions of the cytoskeleton. 77. Go down and highlight 79, microfilaments and microtubules. 81 is a really good one. I put a star. You know I want to ask about that one. That's going to be a thing where you compare and contrast plant and animal cells. Okay. 83, know the function. 84, you should know that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. I guarantee you 85, I'm going to ask a question about different types of cells. Which cells more likely to have mitochondria? They need to be active cells. All cells, 86, have mitochondria if they are eukaryotic. Okay. I know, we got a lot to do. All right, endoplasmic reticulum. So, 95. Highlight 96. Highlight 97. Highlight 98. Highlight 99. 100 is smooth ER. 101 and 102. Go to the next page.
I love this.
Why?
I don't know. I love highlighting.
107. I'm glad you're helping us. Thank you.
104, you mean?
No, I want
I'm glad I'm putting my
107.
back into this.
109. The picture, 110 will be on there.
What is that?
That's the Golgi bodies. 111. 112. 116. 118. 119 is going to be a short answer. 121. 124, put a star next to that one. You know that's going to be part of an essay. 129. 130 is definitely going to be part of an essay question. Okay. $141 and $142.
I don't have it. Where did I get your stuff?
Which cells never have chloroplast? Animals not. Bacteria is not. Fungi is not.
What's number 42?
Photosynthesis. And why are cells about the same size? Because of that surface area to volume ratio. Which increases faster, surface area or volume? Yeah, volume, because it's length times width times height. So that's why cells have to divide. Okay, next one.
Cells and organelles.
Cells in the organelles.